Hi to everyone.
Hello.
Do you mind to introduce yourself?
Alright, my name is Andy and I'm from Japan. I'm 19 years old.
I heard that you can speak Chinese, right? Say hi to our audience in Chinese.
大家好，我是 Andy，我第二次来台湾，然后我现在在做饭。
Japanese?
OK、台湾に旅行に来てる、ものです。今台湾の料理を父と一緒に作ってます。
So far for your experience.
It was pretty interesting to know like the base taste of the Taiwanese food, which is kind of a mixture of shala and the mushroom and dried shrimp and the oil. Yeah.
So you visit the traditional market. How was it?
Yeah, it was pretty nice to see like the local side of this town because I don't think a lot of tourists get to see that. Yeah.
Your fried noodles, right?
Sure.
Open it.
Okay. So here's my noodle. I think it's looking pretty good, and yeah, I think it looks like I'm making for like a family of 5 or something. Yeah, I think I can finish it. Yeah.
Why don't you say something in Chinese to introduce your rice noodle?
OK，我感觉这个真的很好吃，然后我可能放了太多面，但是应该没问题。
And say something to our audience.
Okay. I'd like to say thank you to this opportunity because it's pretty nice to see and experience the local Taiwanese food. So yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yep, thank you.